Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download and install Google Authenticator app on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Locate and click on the search button at the bottom right. Then you want to search for Google Authenticator. Select it from the pop-up. Once selected, you want to hang on for your iPhone to search for the Google Authenticator app. Then click on it. Once you click on the Google Authenticator app name, locate and click on Get. Once you click on the Get button, hang on, you'll be prompted to type in your Apple account password or double tap your iPhone power button twice. Once you type in your password, go ahead and click on Sign in at the top right. Now, once the App Store can confirm your Apple account password, then you'll be able to download and install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Click on Install from the pop, then you should see done. Now, after a couple of seconds, the Google Authenticator app will be downloaded and installed on your iPhone. So all you simply need to do at this point is you just need to hang on, and once it is done, you can go back to the app menu. On the apps menu, you should see the Google Authenticator app, or simply search for it. Then go ahead and open it, and there you go. Get started, continue, and set up your Google Authenticator on your iPhone. So that's exactly how to download and install the Google Authenticator app on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.